Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can use ChatGPT for e-commerce. So let's get started. What you can do is simply type in a command to find the latest trending products. So you can enter a command which says top 10 trending products for my e-commerce platform. Simply enter in your command and just wait for a couple of moments, and here as you can see it is giving you a list of products that are trending. So you can see smart home devices, fitness and wellness products. So you can see you can simply copy these products, and for more research you can enter another command. Just simply paste your product in there and type in give me details about this product. So you can see I have simply copied one of these suggested products by ChatGPT, and I've pasted that into my command prompt, and I've entered another command which says give me details about these products, and I'm going to be entering it into my command prompt. And here as you can see it is just giving me a list of products that I can use for my e-commerce platform. So you can see we have smart speakers, smart thermostat, smart lighting, and so on and so forth. And that's how you can use your ChatGPT for increasing your e-commerce platform knowledge and just in generally get more information about the products that are trending. So I hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.